Hey G12, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool making part right here, and basically what this is electric can opener. Then Steve mentioned how it's a hand-free automatic can opener. So basically all you need to do is put this product on top of your can and press one button, and actually does everything for you guys, which is pretty awesome. If you guys are curious about how it works, you guys can see right here, they give you guys the step-by-step instruction on how to actually use it correctly. It's pretty straightforward, if you guys can see. But let me actually open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like inside first. Alright, so we guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. Alright, so right here is the product, and inside there is something else as well. So inside they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And for this product actually requires battery, which is not included. Let me show you what the product looks like first. Alright, so the product is all nicely wrapped right here, as you can see. Let's take it out. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they have the logo or name right there, and this is the button to activate the product. And then this is basically what it looks like on the other side right here. So basically all you guys need to do is to put the can right here and put it against the side right here, and actually will open up for you. And basically how it works, you guys can see they do have a magnetic option right here in the middle to actually hold it up. So you definitely want to put it on the countertop, and then you guys want to push the button to actually open it for you like this, which is pretty awesome. But like I mentioned, for the product actually requires the battery to actually activate it. So the way how you guys open it is by looking at right here. You guys want to pull this part out like this, and then that's basically what it looks like inside. So for this product actually requires two AA batteries to actually activate it. So if you guys don't have AA batteries, you definitely want to purchase one first before you guys purchase this product. Otherwise, when you guys get the product, it will not work. But this is basically what the overall product looks like in the inside and outside. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to the countertop and then show you guys how to use it and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so right here with the product, and right here we have the can. Let me put the battery inside first. And I just want to put the battery inside right here. Alright, and then we want to close it back up. Alright, so we got it all set up. Alright, so all we need to do is press the button right here to activate it. And you want to press the button in the back to stop it. Alright, so that's how you guys stop it. Alright, so what you guys want to do is to put the pot on top right here and just press the button and let it do its own thing. Alright, so once you guys finish doing that, then use the magnetic option right here to pull it up. Just like that. And the magnet on here is actually pretty strong as well, if you can see. It stays on pretty well. So all you need to do now is just start using the product and it's all set. But you definitely see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. Once you guys put the battery inside and you guys actually put this onto your can, you can definitely see that actually works really well and super easy to use just by clicking on one button. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these automatic electric can openers, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of need one of these, especially if you guys don't like to use like the handheld ones or the twisting ones where you just have to do it manually, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to do one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.